Hi, I'm Eric Bieberich, President of the WAI Association International. I'm pleased to announce that attendee registration is now open for Interwire 2025, a premier event in the wire and cable industry. Join us at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, May 13th through the 15th, where over 300 exhibitors from around the world will showcase the latest in technology, products, and research. Gain insights from expert keynotes, industry forecasts, and engaging roundtables. Enhance your expertise through a variety of learning opportunities, including WAI's Fundamentals of Wire Manufacturing course, the Advanced Extrusion Workshop, and a host of Interwire conference sessions. Plus, don't miss the 4th Global Continuous Casting Forum being held concurrently with Interwire 25. Secure your spot today and be a part of the future of wire and cable manufacturing. Go to interwire25.com to register and for additional information.